if you ask about personality traits that would make a good family court judge, you've got to have someone who is willing to work as hard as they can. It is one of the busiest jobs. It is a almost constant being in court because, again, the family court seat services 3 parishes. And so the family court judges are constantly busy. You cannot be a slacker. It has to be someone who's willing to work hard, someone who is going to perhaps come up with innovative ways to handle a busy docket. Because, as a lawyer, my clients are dismayed and astounded when they see that there are 30, 40, or 50 things scheduled for hearing on one docket. And they shake their heads and they make a grimace and they say that how can a judge listen and know or do anything if there are 50 families in court on a Thursday? And I just tell them realistically they can't. Many cases can settle right before going to court. Some cases will settle after a judge sits and talks with the lawyers and makes suggestions for trying to resolve those cases. But it has to take someone who is willing to work hard, who is willing to innovate and to try to come up with different suggestions or ways to make the court work more efficiently. So it's a matter of juggling different things. It's not just knowing the law. It's working hard. It's knowing the law, trying to become innovative, to come up with different programs or different ways of handling old problems. And you have to be brave enough sometimes to do something different. And many people don't like change and may initially resist change. But it goes back to having the strength of character to make tough decisions, to make hard calls, and to do something innovative, perhaps even in the face of someone or litigants or lawyers who don't like the innovation. When I first started the Kids First program when I was a former judge, there were many lawyers who were critical of the program and didn't like it. But I knew that it could become successful. It wasn't perfect at first, but we had to get it started because we had to find some way to address the substance use problems for the families that we saw in family court.